Welcome to DIY Shop, and today's video is going to be about how to connect your washing machine drain hose to your spigot. Okay, so if we have a look at this is a typical example of what you would see underneath your kitchen sink. These are your two spigots where your washing machine drain hose need to go to. This is your trap and that's your waistline. Okay, so first of all, undo this spigot here and make sure that you've got no blanking cap or plug, because otherwise you're going to have a flood. So if you've got something like that, remove that and stick that to one side. Okay, so this is where we want to make the attachment along here. So if we use the drain hose, but before we actually get to that part, let me just explain that these two, the ends may look identical, but they're actually two different sizes. So I'll go through that now. So if we get a Jubilee clip over like so, and then if we push this one to that point there, that's quite a tight fit, so this will work, and all you need to do is move the Jubilee clip over and just tighten that up. So I'll show you now. So because these clips move around a bit, just before it gets tight you can reposition it. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to tighten that up. Okay, and then just put that into position near the top. Okay, and then okay, so I'm happy with that. And then we just attach that to that like so, and then thread that on. Okay, and then it should look something like that. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll show you, for example, if it was the other end, I'll show you that. So let's undo that, okay, and then what we'll do is just borrow the Jubilee clip. So just get that undone and then pull that off. Okay, so let's say for example it was this end. Now if you was to connect it there, guaranteed you're going to get a leak. This needs to go right to that part there. So it needs to be like that. So it's got to be pushed all the way down. Okay, so let's make sure, first of all, let's undo this Jubilee clip to get it on. So we'll put that there, so that's in place. And then to make life a lot easier, you will need washing up liquid. So put that on the spigot, otherwise guaranteed you will struggle. So that's on the spigot there, and then on the inside of the hose, like so. And then wipe your hands because it does get sticky, so wipe that, and then we're going to push and twist. There we go, so that's gone to there, and then the same principle with the Jubilee clip. Slide that down and then get that into position near the top, so about there, and then we'll do that up. Okay, so that's how it will look, and then what we'll do is we'll thread that onto there, and then we'll do that up there. Okay, and then that will look like that. And as always, check for leaks. You're going to have to run a cycle, make sure it's not leaking, and then if you've got any questions, please let me know.